In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on two-step verification for LinkedIn profiles. Securing your online presence is more essential than ever, and enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your LinkedIn account, helping to protect your personal and professional information. So let us jump right into it. First, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account on your preferred web browser or through the LinkedIn mobile app. It is important to always use the most up-to-date version to ensure the process goes smoothly. Once you are logged in, head over to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you will want to locate the Me icon, which you will find at the top of your LinkedIn homepage if you are on a desktop. On a mobile app, you may find it at the bottom right. Tap on that icon to see a drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down. Think of this section as your account's control center, where you can manage various settings. This is where you can tweak your privacy preferences to match your needs. From the Settings and Privacy page, you will see a navigation menu on the left side if you are using a desktop, or you may need to scroll on a mobile device. Look for the Sign In and Security section. This is where you will find options related to the security of your account. Click on this section to proceed further. Under Sign In and Security, you will find the Account Access options. You are looking for a setting called Two-Step Verification, which is the star of our show today. This additional security measure ensures that even if someone has your password, they cannot access your account without a second form of verification. Once you locate Two-Step Verification, click on it. If you have not set it up before, you will see the option to enable it. When you choose to turn it on, LinkedIn will walk you through a setup process. This typically involves linking your account to your mobile number or an authenticator app. For a text message option, you will enter your phone number, and you will be sent a verification code to confirm this number. If you prefer using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, just follow the steps provided to sync LinkedIn with your chosen app. After you have followed these setup steps, you will be prompted to confirm your selection. LinkedIn will now require this second step whenever you sign in from an unrecognized device, thus adding another layer of protection to your account. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile is now more secure with two-step verification. Remember, keeping your online account secure is vital for protecting your personal data. By following these simple steps, you have taken a significant step towards safeguarding your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on keeping your online presence secure.